ready?
Elsie's a go-getter. She just kind of has that personality. She loves to make mischief. She loves to get into trouble.
She likes motion, she likes to go fast. She's just like any other kid, quite frankly.
Elsie's 8 years old. She has cerebral palsy. It just makes accessing typical toys very difficult for her. We had a Barbie 4x4 car. She couldn't fit in it anymore. So we thought, well, it would be so nice if we could just make something like that, but bigger.
An old high school friend of mine, a professor at Case, thought it'd be a great idea to have his students work on something that would really be helpful for Elsie. They finally brought it. She was so excited. She ran everybody over.
She was doing papa wheelies. She would put her foot on the gas so hard that it would kind of flip up, and she would giggle.
She loves bumps and going over all terrain. So one of the things they added was 2 stops at the very bottom of it, so that the car could not pop up on anything, or even if it went over something, it would stop it. She has a tough time manipulating like a circle. But with the handlebars, she's able to grip it on multiple locations. And they added a piece of wood that would go over the pedal.
Because she's not always able to just hit one little spot.
Then there was a large backrest that would protect her head and shoulders. They were really very thoughtful in planning around safety components for Elsie on the car. You know, when she's in that car, all the kids want to get in the car. All the kids want to drive it. And they all know this is Elsie's special toy. And so I think that makes her feel special. As for a family, it's hard to find things that you all can do when you have a child with disabilities. You put her in the car and she can drive around just like the other kids do on their bikes, and now she's a part of that. It's really meaningful for the family.
Obviously, when you have a child like Elsie, you sort of are dealt the cards you are dealt, but whoever meets her is inspired by her. I know that we've tried to use her story to raise awareness for the things that she's diagnosed with, but also her ability. I think the ability is really important, and a project like this really brings front and center what abilities she does have if the right, equipment is there for her to use.